So I find myself in my Melody today, or my Melody side, and you might be asking yourself why or what am I doing this side? We've been invited to a Airbnb at the Blyde, so we're gonna stay there for a night and just check it out, see what we can do that side. Actually, my first time this side, so yeah, that's why I thought, you know what, let me jump on this opportunity to come and experience this. What is this estate, by the way? I thought it was like Silver Lakes, but I just realized I'm like far up north from east, so it can't be Silver Lakes. But yeah, anyway, let's go and check out the Blyde and see if that how nice or how good is their lagoon. We are here at the Blyde Main Resorts, the Blyde. Whole lot of names. And there's a man on the fountain doing, I don't know. Yeah, so let's head to the gate, the entrance. We are residents or visitors? Visitors. This man is not sure. Visitors, yeah. Okay, so this is the Blyde. So this is the Blyde. It's a Bowen property, apartments, I think. So today you're joining me at the Blyde. We are at an Airbnb that we got invited to check out, and wow, man, everything here is just so nice. Let's start with the entryway. You have some nice cool designs here, flowers, books, and it's a nice big TV that you can bring your PS5 to use. Some nice designs as well, some Gucci. These are decorative books, Chanel, Gucci, and all those things. And let's go to the kitchen. And this is the standard Bowen property, nice designs that you all know. You can get it in, I think, the Blyde and also Munyaga and all those other places. So you get this nice kitchen entry lights. So let's just turn these on and see how they look. How do you actually turn on these lights? Okay, we weren't able to turn on the lights, but this is how everything looks. So let's go to the bedroom. So this is a 2-bedroom unit. Let's just turn everything on. This is the guest bedroom or the common bedroom and bathroom. I'm gonna start with the and we are parked all the way down there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, the most overrated book. And I suppose this was supposed to be a TV stand, but we don't have a TV right now. And more books. You can see that the host has a whole theme of books going on in the house. And wow, man, it smells really good here. He has these nice diffusers. I really need them for myself, for my space, because they smell really, really, really nice. Going into the main bedroom, this is where I think you find most of the magic. So here you have a TV. You also have a balcony, more books. If you had been with me, I haven't read this one. And there's a whole lot of nice mirrors here. So if you're someone who likes taking pictures, I guess this is your place. More books, Trevor Noah, more diffusers. And then you have this like walk or kind of like a walk-in closet type. Very spacious. Very spacious. And this is the bathroom. Yeah, man, I think you can't go wrong with this. But yeah, we'll be here for tonight and we'll see what else we can share about the place. But If you want to book it, you can find the link in my description. Very, very nice place. Okay, so let's go back to the kitchen. And yeah, this is the whole house. What do you think? Oh, we actually managed to turn on the lights now. And you can see how nice that looks. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. All I know is my body. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. All I know is my body. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. Okay, so I want to make tea now. Put this here and I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody. And it's done. I'm about to go and get some few drinks by the lagoon here at the Blyde. And yeah, car is still intact. I don't know. So we just got dinner. I'm having, what is this burger? Oh, a rib burger. I forgot. And then there's prawns. I don't know what this is. And then Kuzai got a pizza. Flatbread, apparently. So yeah, this is a restaurant at. So it's a very good morning here at the Blyde, and we want to go out to get some breakfast at Silver Lakes. So that's like our closest I think shopping place. You know what, I might be very wrong because I'm not very familiar with this place, but yeah, let's see how the cold start is like. Apologize for all the Blyde residents. I'm joking, it's not that loud. So for breakfast, we ended up going to KFC, and yeah, because the hassle of having to make breakfast from scratch was just too much. And I mean, it was supposed to be like a 1 day stay, but it was more of like 1.5. So we left like later in the afternoon. I need you, boo. Oh, I gotta see you, boo. And the hearts all over the world tonight. Said the hearts all over the world tonight. Hey, little mama, ooh, you're a stunner. Hot little figure, yes, you a winner. And I'm so glad to be yours. You're a class all your own. And ooh, little beauty, when you talk to me, I swear the whole world stops. You're my sweetheart, and I'm so glad that you're mine. You are one of a kind, and you meet me pretty much done here and about to leave. What I didn't show is that we had an Xbox. This was provided by the host. So it was an Xbox with like a whole lot of games. It was like Forza, FIFA 25 and all those things. But yeah, we're gonna pretty much pack up this because we used takeaways, didn't cook at all. And yeah, that was our stay at the Blyde for 2 days. Actually, it was supposed to be 1 day, but we ended up staying for 2 days. So yeah. Also, what are these? Coke. Just in case you didn't see the place properly. It's a whole lot messed up now, but trust me, when you get here, it's very, very clean and very, very nice. And these actually smell very good.
Several days later.
So we have a good lineup here. We have Mr. How Much I30N, and then we have Angel Dust Polo GTI, which is now tuned. So I think it's a stage 1 tune. They removed the rev limiter, and it has some nice, very, very nice bubbles to it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're just chilling here, actually. That is loud.
That is abnormally loud.
That is very loud. And he knows we're looking.
Another suspicious response.
By collab tuning. Okay, okay. So like for us to get that sound, do we have to like do erase delete like all of them?
Yeah, wait, he wants to record.
A few moments later.